Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by grounding yourself. Stand shoulder width, knees soft, weight on the balls of your feet so you can move quickly. First, feel a 4-count pulse and shift weight on beats 1 and 3. This establishes timing and balance. Once you have the count, add a small step forward and back with the right foot, then repeat with the left to build symmetry. Make sure to keep arms low and relaxed. This helps coordinate upper and lower body and prevents stiffness, which ruins groove early on. You now link those basic steps into continuous movement. Combine 2-step patterns into a 4-count and practice them in 8-count loops for endurance. As you do this, introduce arm accents on beats 2 and 4 to match the music. Doing so increases musicality and helps cue directional changes. Once done, extend step range slightly and lean into your core for stability. This prevents wobble as complexity grows. Make sure to slow down and isolate tricky parts before increasing tempo, because clean practice beats speed without control. You finish by choosing a simple signature pose and landing it on beat 1, holding for 2 counts so the ending feels intentional. After a run-through, record a 30 to 60-second clip to review timing, posture, and arm-leg alignment. This feedback loop speeds improvement. If something feels off, isolate that step and drill it at half tempo, then gradually raise speed. This isolates motor memory and prevents bad habits. If balance falters, reduce range and reset your center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.